This chili is called African Birds Eye long chili. As you can see, I'm just trying to plant here at my house, just to try it for now. But the biggest objective, I've got land in Venda where I want to plant this chili on a bigger land, and this chili is used by Nando's. So I'm just trying it here and see how it goes. So you don't start planting a lot, you start by planting small, and that's how you learn. This is a piece of land that I prepared at my house. So this is where I'm gonna plant it and see how it goes. And then we'll see the harvest later. But it's called the African Birds Chili. It's mostly used by Nando's.